All right, and tonight, activist Okiya Omtatah wants the Employment and Labor Relations Court to quash the recent appointment of 2017 poll losers to parastatal boards.
Right. And Omtata filed the petition as urgent and argues that the appointments gazetted on February 8, 2019 were not done in a fair and competitive, merit-based and inclusive process, he says, as required in law. KTN's Yusuf Ibrahim reports.
This is the petition that has now thrown a spanner in the works even before the presidential appointees, whose names were gazetted on Friday, could assume office. In the petition that was filed as urgent at the High Court, rights group activist Okiya Omtatah sued the Executive Public Service Commission, State Advisory Committee and Attorney General Paul Kihara. It's a move that might deny the presidential appointees, most of whom are poll losers, the much sought-after soft landing in government. Omtata now wants the Labour Relations Court to quash the appointment on grounds that they were not done in a fair, open, competitive, merit-based and inclusive process as required in law. He further argues that they were made in contempt of court orders and in breach of the Constitution. According to the activist, the appointments to fill state parastatals, which he says are mainly hand-picked and necessarily locked out qualified Kenyans from their available positions. In the petition filed at the High Court, Omtata argues that the appointment of politicians were Ndeti, who had contested for Machakos governorship, former Mwingi Central Member of Parliament Joe Mutambu, former governors Joshua Irungu of Laikipia and David Olenkendianye from Kajiado, were not done on a merit-based, open, competitive and fair process as stipulated by law. The list of appointees gazetted last week on Friday also includes other politicians, among them Gonzi Rai, who lost the Kinango parliamentary seat, former Assistant Minister Kalem Mendile, and Joyce Lay, former Taita Taveta woman representative. Yusuf Ibrahim, KTN News.